You saved my life today. And you may be a total ass half the time, but I need you.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to not
Last time I saw you, you were closing the dropship door.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I
Had to be done.
I feel we're close enough.